morning mga sis. So today mga sis is lalabas ako or may bibilhin ako. So isasama ko kayo. Andito kami sa Walmart mga sis. Sulit balimbing. So kanirang kapihan na dili ka makurat. So sa sod kapi nandiya ref magnet na usually ang ilang ihatag is kanira karon na sila ing ani ba. CHAVA. Oh, ay ang individual pack ko. Bakit ito mas daan? So naa si Joy para sa kuan sa mga puppies o para panghilo sa dunggan. Oh. Come on. Oh. Ooh, fancy na. So, nag-order ko og kanang butanganan sa tubig. Di nitag mga plastic. Di pwede plastic na tao. Plastic. Plastic na butanganan bitag tubig mga sis. Pero karon nag-order mi og mga glass nga ni ba. Mas nindot man gud ni mga sis. Daghan na po tagagason. kuan sila kabuok 10. Nindot mo gud mga sis kay wa ba mga kuan ba.
Just kind of sitting right over the peak and through those upper clouds that will continue to fill in as we go throughout the day. Again, we know that we're going to get well above average. We're already there through Alpha at 72 right now. Along with those, it'll stay cool and cloudy. I'll show you that in just a moment. 61 and 48 is currently 63 though. Handle really just looking towards the east. It's already down now. 79 in the national, 78 in the half-mile. Here's what we are forecasting. A warm start to the weekend.
You like your score?
Yeah. Thank you.
Late showers will be seen tomorrow, and then better wind chances Friday into Saturday as a system.
That what you want? How many of those do you want?
This is okay.
I could have gotten more. I didn't know.
No, it's okay.
Let me have one next time. Write a number, okay?
But it will soon rally and start to warm up again next week. Current radar shows a whole lot of time on inland, but you're starting to see some of those radar returns.
That.
And that started a...
Because I'm very aware of what's going on.
Kani ba nga sis, curious ko ani ba, kay layo man is among lugar, ngani na siya nakakaon ako, pero the best donut gadyo dahil siya na ahong natilawan. Kay mo melt siya sa imong baba. So ilang watermelon mga sis, oh. Hindi, dili na ho makaya og kuan. Fresh ba ka ni? Mo fresh siya. Fresh pa sa imong gugma. Oh. Wow. Parang ka-fresh. Nag-prepare naman po ko dire pang luto. O, diba? Simple ra among dinner. Ginalian. Sarap nito mga sis. Diba? Yan ay corn. Lunchtime.